fun, and it's a real good to the people who are like, you're a cow. Like, yeah, I am. Moo. Moo. I ain't in the mood. Hello, beautiful glam girls, glam fam, glam everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. If you hear creaking, I have real wood floors. My building's from the 60s, so I apologize for the creaking. Anyway, today's video is a partnership video with Nasty Gal. Thank you so much to Nasty Gal for sponsoring this video. Really excited. You know that I love showing you guys new stuff, and sometimes it can get expensive to buy my own stuff, so it's nice when brands partner with me. So I'm really excited to share all of these pieces with you guys. All the links and everything will be in the description, so you can easily shop. If there's something sold out, I will put similar links below. But anyway, before I keep blabbering, let's get to the video. Also, if you like my makeup look and you want to see a tutorial, it's on my Amazon live page. I'll link that down below as well, and you can shop all the products I use for the look in that video as well. So let's jump into the, I was gonna say makeup tutorial, into the try and haul. Let's get started. I have one pair of shoes, so I just figured I'd get those out of the way. They're these really cute little kitten heel. Well, not really, there's a normal heel, little kind of thong slip-on sandal, and these are a size, I believe, 10. They're really cute. I know we're at the end of summer, but if you live on the East Coast or somewhere it stays hot a long time, you know that for us September is still summer. So these are really cute. Great little vacation shoe as well. Love the style, and they look really expensive. Like, they look like they could be real leather. I really like it. Next we have this really beautiful peplum top. I did get it, I want to say 2 sizes too big, so it's not looking exactly how it's supposed to look, but it's so pretty, so comfortable. You can see it has like a little peplum detail and elastic waistband here. It's a deep v-neck, and then it also has like a little bit of tulle or like that organza material inside, and it makes the sleeves like super puffy. Really pretty. Love the color. It's like a soft pastel little floral pattern. Really cute. Also has elastic here, so again gives like that puffy sleeve look. Super pretty. Makes me feel like a little princess. I feel like this would be a great top for a vacation. It reminds me of like Greece or like Croatia or somewhere like Mediterranean. I really love it. Super comfortable as well. This I would say size down. I don't know exactly what size I got, but I will leave it in the description and I will tell you size down in this. But I love it if you're someone who likes to cover your arms. This is a great summer to fall piece because you could wear this in the summer, but you could also wear this in the fall with jeans. Just a nice, really cute go-to top. I think this would be really cute with like a lip color that matches this color, or maybe like a blue eyeshadow would be so pretty with this as well. It just gives me super like by the beach Mediterranean vacation vibes. So next cute is a gorgeous long satin dress. Absolutely beautiful. I feel like I might wear this to my friend's wedding in October. This is just such a beautiful dress. One of those really easy little slip-on dresses that are so comfortable to wear, but look so chic and simple and just classy. And I love the back detail as well. I think this is the perfect dress to wear if you are going to a wedding. Look at how pretty that is, especially in the fall and winter, because the color is like a jewel tone. It's a perfect fall winter kind of color, but when you're inside you won't be cold, so you can have your arms out. And I love that it's not too revealing in the front. It's like the perfect little sexy number, and then you get that opening in the back. The straps are adjustable, so if you need more space, there is also a zipper on the side, so if you need that extra space, but I was able to just slip it right on. So beautiful. I love this. It's the perfect length for me. Like, it hits right where I need it to hit. Such a classy piece. It looks really expensive. It feels expensive. The quality is nice. It looks so nice on the body. It's like draped beautifully. I'm not even wearing shapewear or anything. I don't wear shapewear, but I feel like with a dress like this you might need to. And even without it, I think it looks really nice and sleek. It's comfortable enough that I can sit in it no problem. yeah, this is definitely gonna be the dress I wear to my friend's wedding. I'm so happy that it just so happens that this is in the haul, because it is perfect as a wedding guest dress, especially for October, because it is just the most beautiful jewel tone for the fall and winter. And I feel like if you wear this in the winter, you can put like a nice fur cardigan over it, or a nice heavy like cape kind of coat, and it would look so classy and so chic. This is gorgeous. I love the back here. Okay, next we have this really cute corset top. It has actual bones in it, so it does fit like a corset, and it zips in the back. Really cute, and it comes to like this really nice point, which I really love. This will look so cute with high waist jeans. And the material is like that like non-stretch material, but it does have a little bit of stretch to it. I also really like that it has like this rubberized kind of feel in the top here to prevent it from slipping. Really sexy. Nice little basic corset that you can wear with high waist pants or jeans. Really pretty. I would say size up in this one just because there's no stretch, and it does have a zipper in the back, and if you're by yourself, it might be hard to have somebody zip it for you. It might be hard to zip it for yourself, but I really love that it like snatches the waist. Like, yes, really cute. Nice little basic corset top. Ooh, I feel like you could wear this for like a costume as well. Like if you're gonna do like sexy witch or something. I know that sounds weird, but I'm just saying it would be a nice little piece if you're looking for a corset for Halloween. Okay, next we have this really cute pajama set. And I know it doesn't even look like a pajama set, but I freaking love like the paper bag style of it. And it is a non-stretch. I thought it was gonna be stretch, but I love the paper bag style of it. It's like a really nice, like light, comfortable linen kind of style, and it's so chic and cute. The pocket actually does work. It comes with the long pants. The pants don't actually fit me because of my hips, because it's no stretch. So you can see like, doesn't actually fit properly on me. But I just wanted to get them on as much as I can to show you guys like what they look like. They are super, super long. And I will definitely be wearing this top though with different pants, but I feel like it's the perfect like cozy in front of the fire. You know, fall and winter is coming, but still you feel like cute and comfortable. Perfect for like a girl sleepover when you want to look put together but you still want to wear pajamas. I love this for that. At least we have this really cool oversized sequin button down top. Really, really cool. This actually runs really true to size. This is an 18 and it fits really well on me. It has a nice little stretch to it. It's not too heavy. It's like a cow print. It's so freaking cool. How amazing is this? I feel like this is such a cool statement piece for the winter New Year's Eve outfit. Like, this is just so cool. It's like ridiculous and kitschy and just fun and campy. And I love the cow print. It's like cow print slash psychological test. It almost looks like the ink blot test. I can't talk. Which is really cool, and almost looks like a little ghost here. Maybe you could wear it for Halloween if you're going as a cow or a ghost, or you could go as the ink blot test. Really, really cool. This is just so much fun. I believe they have it in a couple different prints, but I had to get the cow print because I thought it was so fun. And it's a real good to the people who are like, you're a cow. Like, yeah, I am. Moo. Moo. I ain't in the mood. But I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you to Nasty Gal. All the links are below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Fun. And it's a real good to the people who are like, you're a cow. Like, yeah, I am. Moo. Moo. I ain't in the mood. Fun. And it's a real good to the people who are like, you're a cow. Like, yeah, I am. Moo. Moo. I ain't in the mood. Fun. And it's a real good to the people who are like, you're a cow. Like, yeah, I am. Moo. Moo. I ain't in the mood. Fun. And it's a real good to the people who are like, you're a cow. Like, yeah, I am. Moo. Moo. I ain't in the mood. Fun. And it's a real good to the people who are like, you're a cow. Like, yeah, I am. Moo. Moo. I ain't in the mood. Fun. And it's a real good to the people who are like, you're a cow. Like, yeah, I am. Moo. Moo. I ain't in the mood.